And welcome back to Vlogmas day 5. I cannot believe we're on day 5 already. Now in today's video we are unboxing the Goddess Glow advent calendar. This is 12 days. Now this retails for £60. The day I'm filming this it is on offer for 30, but it could be different by now. So it does open up like a box, and then we have all of these little bad boys in here. So yeah, welcome to the wobbly tree. Let's start. So number 1 is a heavy box. We have the Goddess Glow eye quad. Okay, for that being number 1, that is amazing. So it just looks like this, and then when you open it up, oh, look at that. You've got a pink, gold, silver and bronzy kind of shade, or like a peachy bronze. These shades are always so pigmented. Look at that. They are lovely, and these retail for usually about £10. So right now, if you did buy this for £30, you've literally got a third off right now. Okay, they're starting with the big ones. This is number 2. We have another shimmer bronzer in the shade Solstice. Now I do know that I did buy one before and it was a little bit darker than this, so this is a little bit lighter, but I love these shimmer bricks. Oh my god, look at that. Like, they're just so nice. Look at that. And this again, they retail between £8 and £10. I can't remember. So you've nearly made more than half of your advent calendar back. Number 3 is this cute little box, and I think I remember what this is, and I'm actually quite excited for it. We have a Revolution Pro, of course it's Revolution Pro, Luster Bronze Eye Cream. I'm actually excited for this. I haven't used an eye cream in a, get off my finger, in a very long time. Oh my god, it's so soft. Right there. Oh, so soft. It reminds me of the Max Factor ones that I hunted down for back in the day. Number 4, what do we have? Oh my god, my tree will not stop dancing. It knows that I'm excited. Oh, okay. I have watched, I think, 2 unboxings of this already, and some of the things I have forgotten what they are. This is a mini Lumi stick, so very different. Okay, these look like the little Relove ones that I have still not tested, but I do own. Let's see. Oh, it's a nice little gold colour. This is what I love about the Goddess Glow range. It's on the floor and it's a little twisty thing. So yeah, what I like about the Goddess Glow is that they have lots of golden shades, which you know I love. So this is an illuminator. That definitely is really nice there in the corner. Door number 5, I already know what it is. It's exactly the same as door number 3. It's another eye cream, which just looks like this, and this shade is in Luster Gold. Oh, it's even softer than the bronze one. It's just, look at that shade. Ain't that a bit of me? I can't wait to use these. I feel like I could use the gold, then the bronze, and then like deepen up the crease. Halfway through and we're at number 6. It is a lovely little shimmer. It's not even little, it's their full size Goddess Glow lip gloss. Look at that shade. It's in the shade Never Ever, and I don't own this shade. I do think it is new for this advent calendar. It's so nice. It's like a nice deep peachy pink with gold glittering. It's a very me shade. It's just right there. I love being covered in swatches for these videos. Number 7. Even if this is bougier than the other calendars, I'm still gonna cuss. I don't need a bougie mirror, okay? I don't need mirrors. I literally will take a bronzer that has a mirror in it and that's me done. Why the oh, it is bougie and nice, and like it is something I could gift someone at Christmas, but why? Like, put another lip gloss behind the door. Like, you know I'm gonna like another lip gloss or another highlight. Look how big this box is. They wasted another fucking door, fuck's sake. Number 9. I want makeup, people. Okay, let's see what's in here. Let's move on. Now, I do love a good hair clip, especially when you've got curly hair. Like, it's nice to get the front pieces out of your hair, especially if you want to eat. Right, it does feel a bit quality, more than like a pound shop one that you can get, but like, I could have gone to the pound shop to get this, especially this kind of like pattern and detailing. You can find these in all the pound shops. And let's see. I don't know why I just put it up like that. Okay, bye. Number 10, make me happy. Who wants to bet it's some brushes? Okay, it's 2 brushes, and they're 2 flat brushes too. I might not be mad at these because I enjoy these flat brushes. I love the colour of them. I'm sorry that the tree just keeps shaking. They're very nice and soft. I feel like I could use this as a lip brush, this one, and I do love a lip brush, especially if I've got like a potted colour. And this one I can use as a shimmer shade, like to pack on pigment or shimmer on my lid. The colours are nice. One's more gold and one's more bronze, just like the theme of this. Can you see that's a bit more gold and that's a bit more bronze at the bottom? Okay, I actually like those. 11. Oh, it's another brush. I remember this. It is a kabuki kind of brush. I never use these. It is cute and nice and soft, but I never use these anymore. I used to when I first got into makeup. I used to love a good kabuki brush, and it really made me drag my foundation and powder to my neck, so it wasn't just like one line. It is a nice kind of bougie kind of packaging. Reminds me of something like I used to see like my friend's nan throw in her handbag, but it ain't something I would use. But it is cute. 12 best not disappoint me, and I think I actually remember what 12 is. It's another box like this. Yeah, it's not gonna disappoint. It is a nude gloss. This is the shade Nude Illusion. I love their glosses. I absolutely love them. And guys, my Revolution lip collection is coming Christmas Day. I'm kicking off my collection videos again with my Rev lip collection. I actually have organised it with the help of my friend Jodie. But yeah, look at that shade. It is nude. Have I smelt these? Oh, they've got like a strong vanilla smell. Bit of glitter in there, bit of gold glitter. It's right there. That is a nice shade. Would you stop? Just stop. Okay, that is the end of my unboxing. Now I'm very happy with what I've got in here. There's a few duds, the mirror and the bag. Like, the bag is cute. I didn't really say that, but it is cute. It's just like, I'm not going to use it. I need something that is that kind of a little bit smaller but longer for like a brush, powder, lip gloss, lip liner, lipstick. And that's me. Something longer but thin, and I'd be happy. But yeah, I like the glosses. I'm really impressed with them. I like the eyeshadow palette. It's an all shimmer palette. I know some people don't like that, but I love those little shimmer palettes. But there is no mattes in this collection. Like, everything is very shimmer heavy. So I will grab like my coffee palette and put some mattes in the crease before I use these. But I'm very excited. Oh, these cream eyeshadows have dried down. Very excited to use those cream eyeshadows. I'm very excited for the glosses. I'm just excited for it all. So I do think £60 is a bit too steep. £30 is very decent for this calendar. Bearing in mind Revolution Pro is like a more bougie kind of brand of Revolution. It's a little bit more expensive, and most of the products range from 8 to 15 to 20 quid. So I can't wait to test this out. I will be testing it tomorrow. And go and check out day 4, because there is a little giveaway in day 4. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, have enjoyed Vlogmas so far, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.